Welcome to this helpful tutorial. If you're using the Qwant browser on your Android mobile and want to change your country or region settings, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through each step to easily update your country setting in the Qwant app in just seconds. First, open the Qwant app on your Android mobile. Tap the three lines icon located at the top right corner. Then, select Settings from the drop-down menu. Then, from the menu options, select Region. After that, you'll see a list of available countries. Browse through the list and tap on the country you want to set as your region. Finally, once selected, the Qwant app will automatically update the region to reflect your new country. Now you know how to change the country in the Qwant app with just a few taps. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips.